G'day you beautiful Tasmanians, it is Sam here from 414 Property Go again, and I absolutely love a large lifestyle property like this. 335 Collins Cap Road gives you and your family the flexibility to live a life that's worth living, guys.
Mate, what's with the helmet?
I'm on 17.5 acres, mate. I'm obviously going to be riding their motorbike around.
No.
What about the kids' mountain bikes?
Absolutely not.
Can I feed the horses, the sheep, the alpacas? What about the tractor? Can I at least get a ride on the tractor?
Mate, I don't get paid enough for this.
Seriously, Tasmanians, we have a warm 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's a very solid build of brick on concrete slab with a colour-bond roof, providing peace of mind for any potential owner. The parents' retreat is at the other end of the house and perfect for keeping the peace in any growing family. Freshly painted throughout with a stunning brand new kitchen, this home has a serious nod to the environment with an envious solar panel install and is impressively networked, effectively future-proofing the home. Situated in the stunning rainforest belt, approximately 40% is cleared and perfect for running a bit of livestock, and the rest is stunning native bush. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I'd love to show you through sometime.
Get off the bloody tractor!